Welcome friends. In this video I am going to discuss about delete object properties. What is the meaning of delete object properties? You can delete the properties of an object by using the del keyword. Okay, so here I will write the proper way how could you delete the object properties. Okay, that is the process. Suppose here is above there is an employee object e dot, there is a, suppose there is a name property is there, and if you want to delete that name property you have to declare del keyword, and del keyword helps you to delete that property, and it is the notify you as a error while going to print, while going to print, going to, okay. So del e dot name is the simple way to delete the object property, and when it is going to be print it shows you error. So that's why error while going to print that del e dot name. Fine, understood how the delete object property is going to be, but very important. Remember it. This is a very short form. Okay. Here why I am giving the given as a inside the comment section. Okay, and I will also guide you that is and that's a syntax. So here del e dot name is the syntax, the format, the way where you can delete your property. Fine. So this is the process. You can delete the property. Okay. Del e dot name is the process. Fine. Okay. So now next we have to discuss about delete the object. So this is the delete the object properties. Next is the delete the object. Okay. So delete the object. So what is the delete object? So here if you have delete, if you want to delete the object, how could you delete it? Simple write del and define the object of that particular class. If when you are going to only print that object, it returns as a error after delete. Okay, after delete, when you are going to print the object, it returns error. Okay, understood? So this is the simplest way how to delete the properties and how to delete the object. Okay, delete the object properties and delete objects. So because I will give it define you as a syntaxes, and when it is real time it is going to be done, it is going to be deleted. Okay, you can test it. If you have any doubt, go to the comment box and type there, and please kindly subscribe my channel, and please share if their video is very helpful for you. Thank you so much.